Observe these two sentences and figure out the difference. Sentence number 1. Rhea likes biking, traveling, and to ride a motorcycle. Sentence number 2. Rhea likes biking, traveling, and riding a motorcycle. Now, let us analyze the sentences. Rhea is a noun which serves as the subject. Likes is a verb, while biking, traveling, and riding are nouns. However, to ride is an infinitive. Both sentences are considered as grammatically correct, but only sentence number 2 is considered as a parallel sentence. This will be our goals or objectives. First, define parallel structures. Second, determine sentences with parallel structure. And third, rewrite sentences to make it parallel. So what is a parallel structure? Parallel structure is also known as parallelism. Parallel structure means using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. This can happen at the word, phrase, or clause level. The usual way to join parallel structures is with the use of coordinating conjunctions such as and or. Let us start with the words and phrases with ing form or gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a subject or object in a sentence. First example, Claire likes shopping, attending parties, and taking a nap in the afternoon. Let's analyze the sentence. Claire is a noun which serves as the subject, and likes is the verb. This sentence has a parallel structure because shopping, attending, and taking, which is connected by the conjunction and, have the same grammatical structure which ends with ing or gerund. Next example, he enjoys playing basketball, reading anime comics, and watching K-drama. As again, this sentence has a parallel structure because playing, reading, and watching, which are being connected by and, are all gerund. The next category for words and phrases is with infinitive phrases. An infinitive looks like a verb, but it begins with to and it functions as a noun. Or in short, infinitive is to plus verb. Let us have example. There was no opportunity to explain my situation, to settle things, and to ask for forgiveness. This sentence has a parallel structure because to explain, to settle, and to ask are all infinitives. Another way of writing this sentence is, there was no opportunity to explain my situation, settle things, and ask for forgiveness. You can use to before all the verbs in a sentence or only before this one. Next is adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. Adverbs often end in ly, but some look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Example: students were asked to do their assignments quickly, accurately, and thoroughly. Let's analyze. In this sentence, students is the noun, which serves as the subject, and were asked is the verb. This sentence is parallel because quickly, accurately, and thoroughly are all adverbs being connected by end. Another example: my brother approached me slowly and silently. This sentence is also parallel because slowly and silently are all adverbs being connected by end. Let's proceed with clauses. A parallel structure that begins with clauses must keep on with clauses. Changing to another pattern or changing the voice of the verb from active to passive or vice versa will break the parallelism. Example: the coach told the players that they should get a lot of sleep, not eat too much, and do some warm-up exercises before the game. Observe the verbs underlined with red in the clauses. They are all expressed in a present tense, and that makes a sentence parallel. Another way of writing this sentence is, the coach told the players that they should get a lot of sleep, that they should not eat too much, and that they should do some warm-up exercises before the game. Observe that changes in the underlined words with red. The salesman expected that he would present his product at the meeting, that he would have time to show his slide presentation, and that prospective buyers would ask him questions. In here, the subject is salesman and the verb is expected. The underlined clauses with red are expressed in the same tense that makes the sentence parallel. Ready with our activity? What you're going to do is to rewrite the given sentences to make it parallel. You may write your answer on your paper.